Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch wheels, the tires are in good condition, luxury line with a luxury exterior and interior look. Black MB-Tex interior with a burl walnut trim, panorama sunroof, E300 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, power liftgate, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, USB ports, cup holder, touchpad wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 19,162 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.